Republic Polytechnic. Designed by Fumihiko Maki, it is created to be an environmental-friendly campus, with the floors being made of recycled tires and nylon. The institution has two frontal approaches, one that is sheltered, which leads to the agora, and the other approach which has a slope connected to the lawn at level 3. Using the concept of collective form that Fumihiko Maki himself created, he designed the lawn to be connected to all 11 learning pods. The lawn serves as a pass-by space for the students to get from one building to another. The series of both formalized and informal courtyards, lawns, and green plazas are composed along the main circulation routes to provide visual and spatial relief within the campus. The lawn also serves as a vantage point for people to view the open park from above. The open park, which has water features, will give students a closer to nature feel, which helps in expressing the idea of a campus in a park. The land and the pond was designed to make the park look as a whole rather than two elevated spaces. It also gives prominence to the materials used. The library, also known as the Agora, is another iconic landmark in the institution. Fumihiko Maki used the Greek and Roman period of the Agora as an inspiration. Located in the middle of the campus, it serves as a place for students to gather and interact with each other. The use of steel and glass in the facade allows more natural light to enter the building. This also reduces the need of artificial lighting, which also creates repetition of shadow. Fumihiko Maki also created water bodies of different sizes to keep the school's temperature cool without the usage of electric fans. The multi-story car park also have green walls to give a more green look to the campus.
One thing I like about public poly is the air-conditioned corridor. Unlike some other polys, the corridors are not air-conditioned and it's quite warm. But in RP, the corridors and even outside of our classrooms or like even the South Agora is air-conditioned and well-sheltered. There are also lots of glass panels inside Republic Poly which brings in natural lighting, gives a more spacious and brighter look. Personally, I think one of the problems would be the car park, since there's only two car parks in Republic Poly. One would be behind Block E2 and the other one behind TRCC, which is located just next to each other. So I think it would be really inconvenient for those who study at the West Block, as they have to travel like maybe about 3 or 4 minutes away from the car park, and it will be very time consuming, especially when they are late for classes.